fly aircraft. If you'd like to log on to the internet, you may do so. And again, the support and instructions, they're on the Flight Service page of Spirit Magazine. The fasten seatbelt sign is on and illuminated. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened while that fasten seatbelt sign is on. We have 2 lavatories on board. One is in the front, one is in the back. We can never give you permission to be up and about while the fasten seatbelt sign is on. We cannot have you stand, line up, or wait for the forward lavatory as well. We will be up and about to serve you momentarily. If you would like a beverage, there's a full menu. It's in the seat back pocket in front of you.